Oh, shuck.
And now, for the BLT sandwich, we will be putting 4 pieces of bacon on top of a piece of toasted bread, some lettuce, make sure it's clean, some tomatoes, about 3 or 4 is enough, 3 or 4 slices, and then to top it all off, a spoonful of mayo spread on top of another piece of toasted bread. Make sure to spread it evenly to not give too much taste on either side, in either place the bread. And then voila, BLT sandwich. Should probably turn it around or eat it. It's good too. Nom 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 nom. Very delicious. Nom 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 nom. And now, for this one, it's called a clubhouse sandwich. You will be starting off with 3 toasted bread and filling up 2 of those toasted bread with mayonnaise. You can spread it or do it like so. Put the bread with mayonnaise with some lettuce. Make sure to make it clean before using it and dry it off as much as possible by either shaking it or just cleaning it off with some good old paper towel. Next off is some tomatoes. Can be slightly bigger, depends on you. For this one, we made a square-shaped egg, scrambled of course, right on top there. 1 piece of ham, 4 pieces of bacon, and then the other mayo-filled bread. Each sandwich is unique because of one reason. Every single one is made by different people with different ways and different ingredients. It is just all up to you with what ingredients, how you make it, and if it is a sandwich at all that you will be making, that makes it unique. But for this one, we picked several ingredients, because of the fact that this clubhouse sandwich is called a clubhouse sandwich. And because of it being called a clubhouse sandwich, it will be filled with different types of ingredients and be filled with more than one layer. And top it all off with some toothpicks to make it look good.
Yeah, you bite it and then give a thumbs up. Okay, Dave.
Good. Thumbs up. Two thumbs up.
Yummy. Say yummy.
Oh man, that's mine. This is mine.
Now, look dito. Will punch you. Oh, look oh. Look how tall oh. Sabi so very fun oh. Wow, then I cut it.
What's that they use?
Toothpick pa hindi matumba. Mas mawala ng ingredients for free.
What's that? Okay. You can eat. Now. You taste it. Taste it. Give a thumbs up. Come on. What do you taste first?
Not that.
Oh, try
Taste this
first. Yeah.
Taste this first oh.
Okay, try it.
Three.
Then give a thumbs up. Okay,
3,
bite, bite.
2, 1, bite.
Oh my God!
They use, how is it? They use, how is it? Okay. Yummy? Say yummy. Laba.
Atay, taste mo. May toothpick yan ha. Para hindi matanggal. Ay mo
Kakain din toothpick, hindi.
gusto mo, ba? Sarap naman. Dito. Kain. Ulitin mo dito.
Grabe, nasarap pa kaya si tatay?
Wow.
Uy, approve!